I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to solve this equation and get the x and y values. So let's see. So first writing the given equation 217x 131y and 913 is the first equation, and here 131x, then 217y, then 827 is the second equation. Now if you get equation like this 217x and here 217y, and the next is 131x and 131y. So if you get equation like this, so simply you need to add the first and second equation, then you can get the new equation. And after that, subtract the first and second equation, then you can get the another equation. After doing some simple calculation, then you can easily get their x and y values. So let's here do adding equation 1 and 2. So one is 217x 131y, then 913. This here 131x, then 217y, then 827. Let's do the addition. So 7 plus 1 8, and 3 plus 1 4, and 2 plus 1 3 x. This here 8 4 3 y, and this here 7 plus 3 10 1 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 4, and this here 17. Now let's take there 3 4 8 is the common, so x plus y that's come there, 740 that's come there, x plus y, then after 1740, then 3 4 8. This cancel by 5 at a time. So 15, and here if you do calculation, so let's do the calculation. This here 3 4 8 1740. So 3 4 8, if you multiply this here 0 4 9 13, and then after, so this here 8 into 5 40, 0, then 4 that's come there, this here 5 into 4 20, 20 plus 4 24, then this here 2, 5 into 2 15 15, 5 into 3 15, 15 plus 2 17. So this here 5 times, this cancel there. So the next equation x plus y equal to 5 that's come there. Let's assume this is third equation. Now the next is, after doing this one, let's do here subtract first and second equation. So writing there subtracting equation 3 and 4. So equation 3 is 217x, then 131y, then 913 is there. And the next equation 131x, 217y, then 827. Let's do the subtraction. 7 minus 1 that's come there 6, and 11 minus 3 that's come there 8, and positive with 217, so that plus sign, and this here the same thing 217 131. Subtract 86 that's come there, negative is minus 217 is there, 86y, then if you subtract 913, so 913 827, so this here 6 that's come there, then after here 10 minus 2 that's come there 8, so 86 that's come there. Let's take there 86 is the common x minus y, 86 1 at a time cancel, so x minus y equal to 1 that's come there. Let's assume this is equation 4. So now here you can see third and fourth equation is too simple. After simply you need to add the two equations, then easily get their x values. So here adding equation 3 and 4. So 3 is now x plus y equal to 5. X minus y equal to 1. Plus. This cancel x plus x, 2x. This here 6. So x equal to 6 by 2. This cancel by 3 times. X is now 3. That's come there. This x value you can put on 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyone? So let's put there 3. Putting x value in equation 3. So x plus y is there equal to 5. X value is now 3. 3 plus y equal to 5. Now we can write y equal to 5 minus 3. Y equal to 2. That's come there. So x value is now x, y, that is equal to 3, 2. That's come there. This is the answer. Okay. So by following this approach, you can easily get their x and y values. So what I'm going to repeat this on. That they're given, do the addition, then you can get this. Do the subtraction, then you can get this equation. After that, 3 and 4 simply need to add, then you can get their x value 3 and y value 2. So this is how we can solve this equation, get their x and y. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.